All right, it's Thursday, May 30th, just following up on CrowdStrike. You can see it's continuing lower, kind of bar after bar here after that first bar breakdown. Bought some puts in here on bar two, then three, four, five, six, seven. It's continuing lower. So just able to scale out some more of the options. Bought the 335 puts at 560. I scaled out at 725. Kind of set up an hour's trade. I just scaled out some more at 9. And they're asking 970 right now. So overall, really nice gain on this one. Options moving up nicely, stock dropping nicely. It's kind of in an area here where it could pause. I don't know for sure, but as it was coming down and took out this whole ledge of stops and couldn't reverse from there, I figured it was heading to that gap in here between the high of this bar and the low of this bar, right in this area. So, that's kind of that 326 area, and that's where we are right now. Overall, as we continue lower, if it doesn't look like we're holding this gap, although anything's possible, then we could be heading down here really to this next target. It's below 320, quite frankly, but it's been a big drop since 350 right here on that opening move. So at some point it'll probably pause, head up, and then you'll see if there's a secondary trade to take out whatever low of the day is. And like I said, if it really wants to stay weak, there are definitely targets down here. It's just a question of, how much momentum it continues on this first move of the day. So obviously a good trade on CrowdStrike. It's just one of the stocks that broke, one of the many stocks that broke down. And then there were some clear targets there once it kind of took out all these stops right here. You can see it on the chart pretty clearly. And once it takes out those and then just on the first move of the day and can't rebound strongly, then it's likely heading to some other targets below. And there's a big fair value gap in here. And like I said, if things really get negative, this thing has many targets below. So it's a stock to kind of keep on the downside for now, but you just have to wait for good, entry points that, you expect immediate follow through. So, one of those today was early on. We'll see if other secondary trades develop in the day, today and in the days ahead.